might be for us.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Clinton County, southeastern Greene County until 10:45 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Waynesville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Jamestown, Harveysburg, Bowersville, Port William, Paintersville, Melvin, Bloomington, Middleton Corner, Lumberton, Oakland, Reesville, Kinman, and Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 61. The tornado warning for northeastern Warren and southwestern Greene counties will expire at 10:15 p.m.